In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use variables in Pandadoc. Variables are a simple way to reuse the same piece of information across a document without typing it over and over. When you set a value for a variable, Pandadoc can automatically insert that value anywhere the variable appears in your template. This is especially helpful for things like company names, project titles, dates, or any repeating text that needs to stay consistent. To get started, open the template you want to work with. Once the template is open, look to the right sidebar and click on Variables. This is where you will create and manage the fields that will populate your content. Next, click the plus icon to add a new variable. You will be prompted to name your variable. Choose a name that is easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create several variables. Clear naming helps you avoid confusion when you are filling values in quickly, and it makes templates easier to maintain over time. After you create the variable, find it in the variables list. You will see a copy icon next to your new variable. Click that copy icon. This copies the variable tag exactly as Pandadoc needs it, which prevents formatting mistakes that can happen if you try to type it manually. Now go into the body of your document and paste the variable tag into the text wherever you want that information to appear. Place it in the exact spot you would normally type the value. You can paste the same variable in multiple places if the same information needs to repeat across the template, such as in an introduction, a pricing section, and a signature area. Once the variable is placed in your document text, return to the variables sidebar. In the field for that variable, type the value you want to use. As you enter the value, Pandadoc will automatically populate the text in the document wherever that variable tag appears. This makes it easy to update information in one place and have the entire template reflect the change immediately. Take a moment to review the document and confirm every location where you pasted the variable has been filled correctly. Saving a clean template with well-named variables will make your future documents faster and more accurate. That covers everything you need to know.